Poop poop.
Hi, I'm Malish.
Plastic squeegee.
This is my partner in life, Zoe. And this is our beautiful little dog, Keeva, best known as the Pickle.
You're such a pickle.
I'm somewhere on the autism spectrum, and Zoe is severely sight impaired.
You have to go left.
So we're a slightly unconventional family, but a family nonetheless. We love to travel, and our dream was to experience Europe on a motorbike. That was until we got knocked off. But our dream remains to travel, and so we got Melvyn the motorhome. We named him Melvyn after the venerable Melvyn Bragg, whose podcast we love to fall asleep to. With this channel, we want to document our adventures and share what we learn about motorhoming as we go. We'll cover renovation tips for older fans, as well as some essential maintenance topics, plus equipment and campsite reviews. So stay tuned and subscribe if that's what interests you too. Poop poop.